Good afternoon, everyone. My name's Chris Cooper, known as the Channel Guy Trader, and I'm reporting to you live from Wall Street Trading's Miami office down in sunny South Florida. Today's date is Monday, November the 18th, and here's today's midday market update brought to you by wallstreettrading.com. I want to remind you guys, if you have not been to the website yet, go check it out. There's a lot of free informative information on the site. At the same time, if you're interested in joining our prop firm or taking our education course, you can contact me at ccooper@wallstreettrading.com. I want to first off by taking a look to see how the indices are trading right now during the lunch hour. The Dow is currently up 50 points. The Nasdaq has been chopping around, but it's up now about a quarter point. The S&P is currently up a point and a quarter or so. And then if we take a look at the Russell 2000 futures, they're up about 3 points, up about a quarter percent here, and they're actually showing some relative strength to the other markets a bit. So let's go ahead and take a look at markets, the S&P 500, and some key sections, see what's going on. First off, let's go finish taking a look at the quotes here. The SLV for silver is down 39 cents. JJC copper is down 21 cents. GDX gold miners are down 47 cents. GLD gold down $1.56. Some weakness there. Crude oil down 21 cents. If we take a look at the top sectors in the market today, you have the home builders. They're on our ETF list. They're near the top here. They're up about 0.5% from the opening price, followed by TZA, which is the inverse ETF to the Russell 2000, which is slowly starting to come back down a little bit since the markets did bounce pretty nicely off the lows. FAS banks are pretty strong today. TLT's showing some strength today. That's a 30-year bond ETF. XLF, again, the financials, seeing some strength in the Chinese stocks and the FXI. We had the Asian markets were up a lot. We had the Shanghai Composite up close to 3%. The Hang Seng was up close to 3%. The Nikkei was flat. So we had some strength coming to some of these Asian stocks such as Sohu, Baidu. We mentioned that this morning in our chat room, which is mywallstreettv.com. You can check it out. If you want to get the 14-day free trial, go ahead and go to the website wallstreettrading.com. You can find that information there. We mentioned these stocks. We also mentioned Yoku. To follow up with Yoku, this was a good trade that we made. We took this trade on Yoku on Friday, paid out pretty well, and then you can see today it did some nice follow through action. Let's see what else is going on today. Had some decent action in the coal stocks. If you guys were watching the coal names, we'll punch these up later on in the video. But the coal names, we had the 3 upgrades come out from the coal sector. You had Citigroup came out and they downgraded. I'm sorry, not upgrades, but downgrades. You had Citigroup came out, they downgraded A&R, WLT. So those stocks have been in play. BTU looks like it set up the cleanest. Again, the financials are in place. So let's go ahead and take a look at the market here, then take a look at a couple stocks, starting off with the S&P 500. You can see we made new highs here right on the open, hit close to 1800, then we sold right off, rallied back up, and right now we're putting a lower pivot, higher pivot low in with these little magic resistance highs up here around the 1799 level. If we get back above the opening price, I think they could take us back above 1800. If you take a look at the 5-minute chart, you can see kind of like a little symmetrical triangle going on right here from that little pivot low, even though this may break down a little bit, but I would say keep an eye on this resistance high up here. Get back above the open 1798, we could get some nice action. As far as the individual stocks go, let's go ahead and bring up the chart on those individual names. Again, one of the trades that we were looking at this morning was JKS. JKS had great earnings. They blew earnings out the water. Stock set up a nice little intraday buy setup. Here, let me bring up my screen, show you guys how we traded it. Stock set up a nice little breakout buy right over this little morning resistance high from pre-market over 33.30. You can see it trade from 33.30 all the way to a high of 34 and some change. In the mywallstreettv.com chat room, we were able to take it for a trade from the breakout right there. Sold some right here, and we got stopped out for the other break even for a flat. And ever since then, it's took off, and now it's printing new highs, 34.81. JKS, a nice strong name we were talking about this morning before the market opened up. So again, make sure you come check out the website, check out the chat room. You'll be able to get access to our call outs and everything as well. So JKS is in play. Citigroup was another stock that we were trading around. You can see me, I didn't really trade it that good. I kind of got out for a flat before it made its move, but a nice little scratch here. Gave you a nice little momentum trade. The first setup here, you had a little ascending triangle. It broke out. Momentum did not come in. Volume was kind of light. Then it set up another little range or ascending triangle right on top of that one, and that's when the breakout came with the volume, and that one worked out pretty well for a breakout over 50.98 to 51.38. But another name that we were calling down in the chat room, if you want to get access to the chat room, go to wallstreettrading.com, fill out the form on the right hand side. You could look at a couple of other names. Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan's trading pretty strong today as well. Goldman Sachs looking to make new highs. Couple guys in the room. Let me see what the guys in the room called out here. Some traders in the room, they were calling out, I believe, was RDA. One second here. RDN. All right, one of the traders in the room called out RDN around $13.40. Nice little breakout trade. Stock went all the way to 13.68, 28 cents for a $13 stock. Not bad. We had some guys again. Citigroup was decent. Some guys in the room called out GMCR. This one's not really doing much. I like the way the 60-minute chart set up on this one. Keep an eye on it for a break over the 65 area potentially later on today. Let's see what else you guys called out in the room here. Some guys in the room called out Facebook. We had one of the traders in the room short Facebook. That worked out pretty well. You see Facebook is a weak stock today. Take a look at the 5-minute chart on it. Sold off pretty strong today, and possibly could get a bounce now. Around the 47 whole number. We'll keep an eye on that. Aside from that, guys, again, financials are strong. The coal stocks, I forgot to bring those up here real quick. The coal stocks, again, they got downgraded this morning by Citigroup. Three downgrades: CNX, ANR, and WLT. So you can take a look at WLT. That one sold off a little bit. See, then you have BTU. This stock did not get downgraded itself, but it was actually the best trading one. This one sold off pretty decent as well. And then you have ANR, another coal stock that kind of just sold off on the open and chopped around. Keep an eye on them. They may get bought up back in the afternoon, or they may roll back over. We'll see how they play, how they set up. Aside from that, have a great day, and I'll catch you guys for the After the Bell market summary video. Cheers.